friends here. My name is Nitesh Sinha, head of the training for CGC Qatar, and today we will be doing an unboxing for Nokia Asha 501 device. Let's go ahead and check out the device itself. Okay friends, so as I said, today we'll be doing the unboxing for Asha 501 super smart pocket power phone. Okay, as you can see, very small in size, handy phone. It's absolutely a pocket phone. Comes in vibrant colors, red, black, cyan. Let's go ahead and have a look at the device itself. Okay, a beautiful box, small box. Just slide through the box, and then we have a real handy phone. Let's have a look at the device. As you can see, a very finished, very handy phone. Before we explore the device, let's look what's there inside the box. Let's remove this cover. Here we have two booklets. One there in the Arabic and the other one there in the English. The two manuals, the regular ones. And what next we have? Oh, we have a colorful headphones, 3.5mm standard headphones for the device. And then we have a charger, a real portable travel charger. Will help you save some space while if you are planning to carry it with you. And then we have the battery of the phone. Okay, let's open it up. So here comes the battery. Okay, now if you talk about the device, this device comes up with only one button, which is over there to go back to your previous menus. Okay, there on the left side of the phone, it's absolutely neat and clear. No controls. On the top, we have the 3.5mm jack for audio support. You have the USB connectivity, micro USB connectivity, and then you have the charging point. Here on the right hand side, you have the on off and standby button, the volume increase and decrease, and there at the bottom again, it's absolutely neatly finished. No controls on the bottom as well. Okay, let's look at the back of the device. Here we have a 3.2 megapixel camera, quite a powerful one. And then at the bottom, you have a button to just go ahead and flip through the cover itself. The good thing about the device is that you can go ahead and you can snap on different colors. So easy, just press the button and release the cover. So this is how the phone looks there from the back. You have the SIM support, the SIM 1 slot. There on the side, you have the micro SD support, you have the SIM 2 support. Okay, what we will do is we'll go ahead and we'll snap on the battery. We'll put on the cover, we'll close, and now we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the device. Just push the button there on the left hand side, right hand side, and the device turns on. It's a scratch resistant screen, okay, on the top, making it useful for the users, okay, very handy for the users. Quite a great device, very neatly organized screen. Okay, you can see it's a demo device, so you have a kind of a demo out over there, how to use the device, how to use it in an effective way. Okay, so here we come up with the different icons. The good thing about the device is that it comes with a new Asha platform, okay, with a new Asha operating system for the device. And if you just swipe it towards your left, you have what is known as a fast lane. There's a new concept which is being added to the device. The fast lane concept automatically pins your day-to-day activities, be it your calls, be it your messages, whatever you are doing throughout the day, they are onto the fast lane. So you really don't need to go to the app to activate what you did maybe 2 hours back. You can just go to the fast lane, you can just check, and it maintains a list for whatever you are doing for the past 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days. Okay, so you just need to scroll through the list, just check out, and say for example, if I was into apps, I click on apps, and now I can go to the App Store. That's it about the device itself. Quite a powerful device. I hope you might have started experiencing the device. Please share your feedback there with us on our Facebook page at CGC Doha Qatar Facebook. Okay. Thanks for now. We'll very soon come up with a new device very soon. Bye and take care till then.